Our first story, Ghana's total earnings from non-traditional export fell marginally by 1.84% from $2.89 billion in 2019 to $2.84 billion last year. Now, that's according to figures from the Ghana Export Promotion Authority. The slight decline in earnings was as a result of the impact of COVID on global supply chains. However, products from processed and semi-processed subsectors, including iron, palm oil and natural rubber sheets, recorded major increases in exports during the period. Meanwhile, the Chief Executive of the Ghana Export Promotion Authority, Dr. Efua-Asare, is optimistic of a swift return in performance next year. She says there will not be a review of the $29 billion estimate by 2029.
For the nets is quite ambitious. And when the team made up of about 100 organizations sat down to put this whole thing together, there was a lot of research before we came out with that figure. So it wasn't from anybody's imagination, but it was quite ambitious, and we thought that yes, we could do it. We are not. I don't think the ministry is going to review it downwards or review it upwards, because it was already an ambitious target anyway. We are going to work hard and keep on doing what we are doing and do the interventions. We know that we will recover, just as we did put measures in place to the extent that the dip wasn't so bad. We think that we will keep on working hard to increase. Now everybody is digitizing. So we are looking at different ways of doing things. We will not stick to the traditional way of doing things and miss out. There are even products that we haven't even touched that are doing so well on the market. And I'm talking about a product like cannabis, which is doing well. Other people have taken advantage of it and raking in millions of dollars. We are going to look at all of these products. We need to diversify, and we need to use technology to help us to achieve what we set out to achieve. So we are not going to, review it. I don't think so. I cannot speak for the ministry, but I can say that in my own little, we are not going to review it. And hopefully, it won't be reviewed. We will try and catch up and close the gap somehow. Thank you. My deputy was just mentioning cassava. Cassava powder is now a big deal in the Asian markets and other markets. It is being used for pharmaceuticals. We haven't even looked at it properly in the past. Now it is something that we are doing. And so all these new products that we are seriously working on, we hope will support what we are doing to get to the target that we said we would.
That's Dr. Efua-Asare, the Chief Executive of the Ghana Export Promotion Authority.